everyone. Do you know what I'm going to talk about? I am going to talk about pressure wash. And I am going to show you how to do it. And let's do it! To pressure wash, you need 4 things. The first thing, you need pressure wash machine. Then you need uh, to stain remover soap, pressure wash soap. Then you need a hose to put the water. Now let's get to work. I am going to connect the hose to connect to the machine. So you twist it this way, so the water go here. After that, after you connect it, you gotta make sure it's connect first. Make sure it's all the way in so the water won't go down. Make sure it's all the way in. Okay? And then you have to be comfortable, so you're gonna get wet and dirty. When I am opening the faucet where the hose is connected. After you connect the water to the faucet, then you come here to put it on where it says off. You turn it on here, and then you check to see if there's gas in here. And then we still have some in here. See, we still have some in there. And then we close it. Make sure it's sealed. And then that's the gas you have to use. And then where the holes for this, you put this in here. And then that's where you put the soap. You use the soap and then that's the hose you use. The last things, you gotta go make sure it's open. Put this open, and then to start it, after you start it, you just move it that way. Okay, and then you start it now. like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you for watching my video.